Hi, my name is James Diaz, and welcome to your very first ukulele lesson. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Aloha Oe, one of the most famous, if not the most famous, song to play on the ukulele. This video has timestamps, so you can see everything that I'll be going over. If you already know something I'm talking about, feel free to skip to the part that you want to learn. There are 4 different kinds of ukuleles. There's the smallest one, it's called a soprano. Then the next one up is called a concert. The next one up is called a tenor. I have a tenor ukulele. And then the next one after that is called a baritone. It is the deepest sounding ukulele. So this video will only cover the first 3 ukuleles. So a soprano, a concert, or a tenor. If you have one of those, then this video will help you learn how to play Aloha Oe. If you have a baritone, unfortunately, for a baritone you have to play chords differently because the tuning of the ukulele is completely different. So this video is only for sopranos, concerts, or tenor ukuleles. In order to teach you how to play a chord on the ukulele, like a C chord or a G chord or D chord or something like that, you have to understand what a fret is. So from this wooden bridge at the very top of your ukulele to the first metal bridge, that is 1 fret from here to here. And then from this metal bridge to the next one is a 2nd fret, a 3rd fret, a 4th fret, a 5th fret. You have a little dot on your first 5th fret, and so on and so forth. And you're going to be putting your fingers on different strings within different frets in order to play a chord. So the simplest chord to play is a C chord. The tuning of the strings is goats can eat anything. If that helps you remember it, goats can eat anything. So G, goats, C, they can, goats can, G, C, eat, E, anything, A. So G, C, E, A. That's the tuning for these strings. So if I tell you to put your pointer finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, what does that look like? So if this is 1 fret, this is the 1st fret because it starts at the top. So 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret. And then the tuning of so this is the fret we want right here. So the tuning of the strings is goats can eat anything. So G, C, E, A. So if you want to put 1 finger on the A string of the 3rd fret, it's going to look like this. And that is a C chord. So now that you understand what a fret is, you understand the tuning of the strings, I can properly teach you how to play all the chords that you need to know in order to play Aloha Oe. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to play all the chords for Aloha Oe. They're super simple chords. Then I'm going to teach you a strumming pattern you can use, and then what we're going to do is we're going to play the entire song together. I want you to play along with me as best as you possibly can. You actually play with me. If you have to put 1 headphone in and take 1 headphone out so you can actually hear my strumming and hear yours, and try to do your very best to make the 2 match. So your strumming pattern matches my strumming pattern. And we're going to play the song super, super slow, so you can actually learn how to play the ukulele. Before we get into that, I just want to go over, I do have a ukulele course. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. And this is the method of how I teach you how to play the ukulele. So I teach you all the chords, I teach you the strumming pattern, I actually play the song with you really, really slow, so you can actually get a feel for the strumming pattern. You can actually play along with me, and if you can match my strumming pattern with yours, then you can actually play the ukulele. And before you know it, you'll be playing all on your own. You'll be playing whatever song that you want to play because you're going to know how to play all the chords. You're going to know how to make up your own strumming patterns, and you're going to be having so much more fun. So if you want to check that out, the link is in the description below. We're going to go over Aloha Oe, the most classic ukulele song probably ever of all time. It's super easy. The chords are super easy, and the strumming pattern is super easy. We're going to go over the chords, then we're going to go over the strumming pattern, and then we're going to go to the playthrough from there. So, the first chord you need to know is the easiest chord to play on the ukulele. It's a C chord. You're going to take your middle finger and you're going to put it on the 3rd fret on the bottom A string. So, right down there. That's a C chord. Then you're going to play an F. So you're going to take your middle finger, put it on the 2nd fret right here, the 2nd fret, on the top G string. Then you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to put it on the 1st fret on the E string. And that's an F. Then we're going to play a G7. So you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the C string, so the 2nd string. Then your ring finger on the bottom string, the A string of the 2nd fret. Then your pointer finger right in between the two on the 1st fret on the E string. The last chord you need to know for this song is a C7. So you have a C chord right here on the 3rd fret on the bottom A string. To play a C7, all you have to do is move your middle finger to the 1st fret on the A string. And that's a C7. Those are all the chords that you need to know how to play this song. Remember, you have access to the chord chart. It's beneath this video. What we're going to do from here is we're going to go over the strumming pattern that you can use for this entire song. So let's go over the strumming pattern for this song. It's going to be down, down, up, up, down, up. So down is just obviously going down the strings. Up. So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, 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 up, down, up, down. That is the strumming pattern that you play for the entire song. Aloha, Oe, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down, up. One fond embrace. See, that's the strumming pattern for the whole song. Now we're going to go to the playthrough. And that is where the actual magic of you learning to play the ukulele happens. Playing along with me, matching the strumming pattern with me, so then you can actually play all by yourself. I'll see you guys there. Aloha Oe. I'm going to play this song super, super slow. I'm going to play the intro 2 times through, and I'm going to tell you the strumming pattern while I play it. And then I'm going to go into the first verse and sing that, and then go into the chorus, and then the chorus one more time, and then the song is over. It's a super easy song. The strumming pattern is very basic. The chords are pretty basic. Do your very best to play along with me while I'm playing. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Let's do it again. Down, down, up, down, 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 down. First verse. Chorus.
until we meet again.
Let's do the chorus again.
Aloha Oe, Aloha Oe, Eke ona no ikali po, a fond embrace, ahe o ae au, until we meet again.
Until we meet again.
Until we meet again.
Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope that helped. And now, just for fun, I'm going to go over to an ad for my ukulele course real quick.
His ukulele course just dropped. He's my brother. He taught me how to play ukulele, and I learned in less than 21 days. And you can too. That's our pitch. That's our mission statement. You'll learn all of the main awesome, popular, and wonderful, and lovely, and buff, and strong, and light, and free, and all the great songs, really. That's what I'm trying to say. You'll learn Somewhere Over the Rainbow, Aloha Oe, Can't Help Falling in Love, and of course, and now I'm speechless, over the edge and just breathless. I never thought that I'd get hit by this love again. So yeah, go check out the course. We both look like Jonas Brothers, so we had to throw in a little love bug for you there. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. You could learn ukulele fast, and you know, that's impressive. You can impress the ladies with it, and if you are a lady, you can also impress yourself with it because you are a lady. So, gentlemen and my lady, get the course. You can impress yourself.
So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another one.